Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best French press coffee makers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many French press coffee makers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each French press coffee makers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a French press coffee maker. First, think about the material of the French press. Glass versions let you see the brew but can break easily, while stainless steel keeps coffee hot longer. Next, check the capacity to ensure it suits your needs, whether for 1 cup or several servings. The filter quality is also important, as a fine mesh filter prevents grounds from slipping into your coffee. Look for a comfortable handle and sturdy plunger for easy use. Heat retention and ease of cleaning also make a big difference in daily brewing. Finally, consider the design and brand reputation for long-term reliability. Choosing the right French press can improve your coffee experience every morning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful coffee tips.